Okay, continuing in the notes for 2B. At the top here you can see I've put the formulas because our last piece of info is how do I work between the formulas. So we ended the part 1 with how to find a radius or diameter from the formulas. Here we're going to use the formulas to help us find the other piece of information. So if I know the area, I'm going to find the circumference. If I know the circumference, I'm going to look for the area. So we're going to start out basically the same way we did previously. Find the area of a circle with a circumference of 26 pi feet. So I already know the circumference, so I'm going to start with that. And most normally it's easiest 2 pi r because the area formula requires r. So I'm going to fill in circumference. 26 pi equals 2 pi r. Divide by 2 pi. So r equals 13. Okay, but they want me to find the area now. So I'm going to take the area formula, pi r squared, and I'm going to, in place of r, I'm going to put a 13. That's the only piece that is squared. So 13 times 13 is 169 times pi. When I multiply that out, I get 530.93, and this is area, so my label would be square feet. Okay, so we have to go through both formulas in order to get the answer they're asking. Find the circumference of a circle if I had know the area. So the area formula is pi r squared. I'm going to fill in the a with the 289 pi. I'm going to divide by pi. So r squared equals 289. If I divide both, or square root both sides, my radius of my circle is going to be 17. Okay, they want me to find the circumference. So circumference of a circle with a radius of 17, 2 pi r. Oops, nothing there. So to find my circumference, I'm going to take 2 times pi times 17, which is 34 times pi, which is 106.81 millimeters. Okay? Find the area of a circle with circumference of 18.84. So they're telling me circumference, and they want me to find the area. So I need the radius. Here's my formula I'm going to start with. C is 18.84. I'm going to divide both sides by 2 pi. So when I take this 18.84 divided by 2 pi, there's 2 ways you can do it. In your calculator, you can go 18.84 divide 2 divide pi, or you can take 2 times pi, and then whatever that answer is, take 18.84, divided by that. Whatever that answer is, you have to write it down or remember it, and then you divide it. This is probably the shortest way to do it, but either way would work. So when I divide that out, I get approximately 3. Okay? So my radius of this circle that we're talking about is 3. So in order to find the area, I'm going to come up here. The r is 3. That is the only piece that is squared. So 3 times 3 is 9. When I multiply that out, I get 28.27. Now this is area. Our measurement was yards. So this is going to be square yards. Last one. Find the circumference of a circle with an area. So I know the area, and I want to find the circumference. Okay, so they tell me the area is this big number here. Let's just fill that in. 1,809.56 equals pi r squared. Going to divide both sides by pi. So r squared equals, now on this one you could take 1809.56 divided by 3.14, or you can use the pi button on your calculator. Either way, when you divide that out, you're going to get 576. It might be a decimal form of that, but I don't want r squared, I want r, so I'm going to square root. And when I square root 576, I get 24. So to complete it then, to find my circumference, or my c, I'm going to fill in r is 24. If I multiply the numbers, I get 48 times pi. If I multiply that out, I get 150.8. And this is centimeters. So if you're not sure how to manipulate those or work between the different formulas, please let me know. I'd be glad to go through it with you.